My current project requires yet another unboxing of one of my Hercules tools. This time we're going to use the variable speed jigsaw. I currently have been using this Walmart special, and we can look at the ends of my board here. Not very straight. This side, not straight at all. You see the marks here? Those marks I need to cut. So we're gonna crack this thing open, pop a battery in it, and then test it. All right, so this is a cover so you don't scratch your work with a zero clearance. All right. Now apparently this is toolless, which means I shouldn't need a special tool to insert a blade. So let's take a look. Got a blade. This one is actually made for plastic. This is some sort of plastic composite, so that should be good for this. I got a battery. Let's see. Battery. This thing has some weight to it. So there's a lock button here. It's locked so it doesn't work. Let's see if I can figure out how to use this thing. Let's put all this other stuff aside. So the original cuts I did with this thing. And I am replacing this Walmart brand corded jigsaw with this brushless Harbor Freight Hercules branded jigsaw. This thing feels real nice. There's almost no vibration, almost none. This camera. Nice. Just inside the line. That's what we wanted. Here we go. I need to cut this whole square out. Rectangle. Ooh, I didn't cut that so straight. Better than last time though, I promise. Better than last time. Let me deburr that. This is plastic polymer, so the plastic's gonna kind of leave bits on the edges. So this is called deburring. We're gonna take those little bits off, smooth it out. See that? I want that off. All right. I'm going to go install this. We'll see what it looks like. So far, I've replaced the following tools with my open boxing. I have replaced this Walmart Hyper Tough random orbital palm sander plug-in with the battery-powered Harbor Freight Hercules branded version. That's a win for me. Love the way it worked. I replaced my Ryobi circular saw, which in all honesty is having a little problems with adjusting the angle on the plate, but this has served me pretty well. But again, being stuck to the cord, honestly, the Harbor Freight Hercules branded 7¼ inch circular saw has a few more features, plus having the battery and the ability to carry it around anywhere has been a godsend. I love this damn thing. I'll be getting rid of this as well. And then the third tool that I've replaced so far with, again, the Walmart Jigsaw. At the time, that's what I could afford. And now I am upgrading to the Hercules brushless one from Harbor Freight. This thing cuts like butter compared to this thing. I love it. So yeah, I'm going to be getting rid of all my old tools to make room for the new blue ones. I think I'm going to go blue. Thanks for watching the Good Enough Guy Crafts channel with Mr. Shannon. And we do hope that you have something to say about these tools or something to say about our video. So go ahead and comment. I will comment back. Like, share, subscribe. Hit us up. Until then, you be good enough. Bye.